Back for our second one. Because the other one went low. Because this person
I didn't do nothing.
was staring at it.
Okay, so there's this kid named Sage, and he has like these really cross-eyed. Okay, so I can do it.
I'm Andy.
I'm Savannah. And my mom's in there doing dishes.
That my daughter said that.
That's a bird.
These are also birds.
Do you get scared when I look at you like this?
Am I looking at you? Or looking at somebody else?
Are you looking at me? Or am I looking at you?
Oh, we can't forget one more person.
Oh my god. A bunny.
It's my stuffed animal my brother bought me from Walmart.
This girl. Oh my god. So we know this person at school. And she dyes her hair every day.
Every day. More than me. More than me.
Her hair was cotton candy yesterday. Then it faded in one wash. So now she's redying it.
Ow. It's hot. It's super hot, isn't it?
I don't have one. The itsy bitsy spider without the wall spider.
I don't know that one.
And wash the spider.
I don't know that one.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider without the spider gone. Yeah.
Yeah.
So May.
Oh, yeah.
So May 14th.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
We are going to Holiday World. Only if we get a C average in school.
We have to get a C average.
Yeah, we have to have a C average. No D's, no F.
Gotta look in on that.
I'll tutor you. I'm abusive.
She locked me in the closet and tried to drown me.
I have.
She
Because
has.
I don't like her.
See that bird? She stuffed me in that cage. As if I'd fit.
She thinks she's fat.
I am very fat.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
If you're fat, then Barack Obama is obese.
Hey.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. I'm a
My best
girl.
friend that's a girl.
I'm a girl.
Oh, my mom, she's got a vagina. I thought she had a penis.
No. This is what happened. From the day that everybody was born, we all had penises. But I ate everybody's penis.
Oh gosh!
Everybody's penis that are now girls. I stuck the penis inside so it will be a vagina.
Do you hear her, Mom?
Then
You gotta love her.
I cut off the nuts and barbecued them. So every girl living today has a mangina.
Except me, I cut mine off. And I stuffed them in Andy's mouth. And she swallowed them. I mean, like, they were really small. So, like, they were like nerd size, you know, like that big. Yeah.
Because we're lame. I am your father.
I am your penis.
I like soap.
I love little Alta.
What is really funny, I'm sitting over there. She's sitting over here. Wait, no.
Right.
Wait.
Yeah. It's backwards on your computer.
Yeah, it's backwards. I'm supposed to be sitting on where she's sitting.
I'm a ghost.
Yeah.
A ghost. We'll molest you while you're sleeping. And then you cannot see my head when you do it like that.
I'm short.
I know, I'm kind of medium sized. If you think like me, I have a very dirty mind.
We go to New Providence. Clarksville.
Don't tell more information.
37042. I have a phone.
I also have a phone.
Mine's Cookie Monster.
Mine's better. Mine's a picture of me in my dress.
Oh, wait, no.
Isn't that just cute?
I have Cookie Monster. You guys should comment and tell us which one's better. Cookie Monster or the 8th grade dance dress. Now she will have no date to go with because she's forever alone.
I am not. I am
You're gonna
waiting.
die with 80 cats.
I am waiting, dogs. I am waiting for the right person to ask me. Andy, no, I will not go to the dance with you.
Dang it. Come on, baby. Give me one last chance to make a difference.
Oh, dang.
Oh, Romeo. Oh, Romeo. Where art thou, Romeo?
I'm right here, ho.
Juliet, your Romeo will never come for you. So stop shouting for him. He is playing Modern Warfare 3. He doesn't have time for you.
Sorry about yourself.
Yeah, I'm not really the preppy type. Or just like a dude.
I'm middle.
She's...
I see you. I like emo dudes. They're really hot.
if they're not fake.
Yeah, they're not fake.
If you scratch yourself with your nail, that does not mean you're emo.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, like, you know, the guys with
Oh,
black
with
hair all over
that
their face.
scene, you idiot.
Whatever. Okay. Oh no, I feel dumb.
You're a natural blonde.
So, like, we was riding the bus. Well, I was riding the bus anyway. And so this kid named, oh, I'm not going to say his name, but this kid kept looking back at me. So I was like, you know him.
Who?
Silas. Wait, I just said it.
Silas Coppage.
Yeah.
I am your mother.
I am your ball sack.
I can't believe you're talking like this and your mom's just in the other room.
So?
I'm 13.
I'm 14.
She's gonna be 15 next year. Do you know my birthday? What is it?
January. No, wait. July. June. You know my birthday?
It's the day before. It's February the 13th.
You missed.
Broski, you want to go?
Wanna go?
You want to go? I actually like that bra.
Oh,
Did you get it from Victoria's Secret?
Frederick.
Mom!
Secret, they don't get
Don't show her your boobs!
I didn't.
She told me her bra.
Oh, your bra.
To be like that.
Oh my god! Mom!
She liked them.
Go! Go upstairs!
She liked them with her face. Like, yeah.
Go upstairs right now!
They were better looking than the bandits.
I just.
She's never seen my boobs!
Or have I? I just saw my best friend's mom's tits.
Cha-cha. Wait. Chi-chi's.
Titties. The bongos.
Wait.
There you go.
Oh my gosh,
So
she's pretty.
she's pretty.
No, I'm not.
Is she have like all the hot guys flirt with her?
I have a hot boyfriend. She doesn't like my boyfriend because my boyfriend marches when he walks. Because my boyfriend's the boss. He's a senior.
I don't have a boyfriend yet.
She needs a boyfriend. Well, we're gonna go. We're about to make a funny video. Please. Oh, wait.